Hello everyone, welcome back to the garage. So we are continuing the Will It Laser series here. I'm just focusing up the laser here. If you haven't watched my super cool video on how I made up my focusing cross here, it will be right up there somewhere, hopefully. But yeah, Easter time, so I think I'm going to try and carve a little bunny in this piece of chocolate. See how chocolate works. I mean, chocolate's going to melt. I'm starting it off real low, real low. We're running at 350 millimeters a second at, I have to check, at 12% power, which still might be too much, but yeah, we'll see. Okie dokie. Well, I am going to count, well, I guess it worked, but I am going to count that one kind of as a fail. It's more melted, way more melted than it should be. But I guess it worked. I don't know. Again, another one that smells terrible, people. Ugh, who would have thought? Anyway, that's trying to do an Easter bunny. I don't know how a peanut butter cup is going to fare under this. I might just save it and eat it because it's basically the same thing. It's going to do the same thing. So I think I'm going to try next to put a hard-boiled egg under there. I'm going to try and do the shell, and I'm going to try and peel it and do the actual egg. So maybe we'll continue that for, excuse me, we'll continue that for our Easter series. But yeah, so for right now, there's melted Easter mess. Anything else you want to see under there? Let me know. Let me know in the comments on thoughts, questions, comments, anything. Have a good day, guys. Thanks for coming out. Bye-bye.